Hello everyone, it's Damilola. Today I'm going to share with you real student stories from Nigeria, how they got their first remote jobs while still in school. No fluff and no exaggeration, just what worked, what they did, and how you can do it too. Stay tuned. The first story is about a 200 level university student who landed a remote role paying $3,000 monthly. Imagine being in 200 level, that is your second year, attending lectures and still doing remote jobs for foreign clients. Wow, that's almost like 4 million in our today's exchange rate. How did they do it? They applied after an interview, convinced the employer with skills that they already had, and showed good communication and followed through. In another case, according to Zikoko, someone got their first remote role as a content assistant for a foreign brand, doing social media planning, writing, and research while still in Lagos. They started with about 150,000 naira monthly through an international employer. That role opened doors to more and more monthly tasks and better pay. Then, there's yet another story of a student who did a non-tech remote work for about 9 months in Nigeria. They started on platforms like Upwork and similar, doing simple tasks. Over time, they learned how to use tools, improved their proposals, as well as gradually increased their workload and pay. Here are what all these stories had in common and what you can replicate. Start with what you have, even if you don't have amazing credentials. Use any skill you can. Apply consistently. Don't wait for perfect. Send many applications. Build proof of work, small portfolio, student projects, even volunteer stuff counts. Communicate well. Clarity, responsiveness, polite languages go a long way to help you. Leverage platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Freelancer, and sometimes even Twitter or Facebook. If you do these 5 things well, your first remote job can come faster than you think. But also avoid these common mistakes, waiting for perfect or perfected credentials or tech setup before applying, sending generic applications, ignoring client reviews and profile verification, using unstable payment methods on platforms with high fees. These mistakes cost people time, money, and sometimes opportunities. Now, here's your action plan. Pick one remote-friendly skill you already have or can learn fast. Set up your profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Apply to small jobs even if the pay is low. Build ratings first. Keep learning and improving. You can even take a free course, and also document your journey because it builds your brand. If a student working lectures, projects, and so on can land these jobs, so can you. Remember, being a student or being in Nigeria isn't a barrier. The stories are out there. The proof is out there. You just need to take action. And now, if this video has encouraged you, smash the like, subscribe for more stories and tips, and comment below. If you apply for your first remote job this week, kindly let us know in the comment section. I believe in you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.